staff also will keep it.
You also want to have some meeting later?
Staff will be on and so there's no problem. Give us information on this. But something has to be written also. That you are teaching this session that one election to be conducted peacefully. Or like you got the point.
You go for one round.
Yeah.
Any other officer is there?
So we received information around 11:30, 11:35. The polling was going peacefully till 11:20. Then after that, we received information that the group of people have entered in Wapung Skur A and B, and then they have destroyed the EVMs. So once we received the information, we have deputed additional forces to ensure that all people are safe in the locality and no one is harmed. Also that there has been no injuries reported in this particular incident, but however the EVM has been destroyed. So we are going with the necessary case for further necessary action. No, so far we have not received any such information of attacking people, but the EVMs were destroyed.
Kani ka polling station jong Wapung Skur E bakadai jong Syndon but B pada kadai jong ki kentai. Te hakani pada baro ayat baik menstep di kamdon ni kadon kajing sutu bakla menstep kendiat layapan baik te kalayat baik baro te hadu hatway atau kalayat baik ka kam baro nrei hadin pada kumtu hakapor hatway lai kusan tinggi yo nak report bangkala don kata kajing wan jom kita kibriu kibam itu khmat da menu kiba ya don hang ni kibadang ya terikam nak kalian presiding buat ki polling team jom presiding but i sector officer but i zonal magistrate ti itu khmat kisu wan kisu le force entry nang ta kisu penpat penperalut ya ki EVM bat nang ta ki penduk lut ya kai ka kam penle election te ha ka ju kapor hi had kumbakat wei lai pinyo pada kilet sahapo sakita ki wei pada hapo kaneka mil ka polling station jong Syndon hang ta pada ki sedang sakitaru kilet ban pen huri-hura hang ta bat tempat nut ya ki tiar EVM ki bamla itu khmat ti habaki nak liang jong ki snong ru ki la penjai-jai ya ki tang ba mla ban itu khmat ki suwan ki rungbet ki penpat ha kamil ru ti nrei baro menstep kalang kalaya jai bah karukom long jongka jing thep vote te kensan ha kita ki porhi isu penpat penprano ya ki EVM omla ban itu khmat weiru ki ong babun bamla ban itu khmat te ngi nang hab banwat jing thep ya kata
ha kan ko durung itu khmat they cover the face or what
dem ki klam cover tamap ki priu ki ba trei ya ka kam election kim itu ki kim tip ya ki dei nasional ne kim dei ru tip okay ti stang ki snong hi ki laban pek mi kata ndai nak kaliang jong polling team jong ni ki ong ngim itu ki dei na ei kim ong badai na ei ru badai na kani ka snong ne badai na ki surung be forcefully surung be ki supen surung ki suwan pen pat be